Got it.
Set the hook, set the hook.
Got it.
I missed mine.
Holy fuck!
Oh my god!
Holy shit! Oh, it came off. No, I didn't. I have really a small line on here, dude. It's moving, man.
Hey, watch out! It's rubbing against the concrete.
Please don't stab. It is rubbing against concrete. Trying to prevent that.
Oh my!
That was huge.
That's nice. That's nice.
Look at this. Look at that.
Oh, nice! Alright. Come on. Got it. Woo! Oh my god!
Flew with my line, man. As soon as you were recording, you got mine.
We were gonna record for me, and then you got one.
Yeah.
Bastard.
Okay. Look at this. Nice.
Come on. How do you feel?
It felt great. Very strong, very sensitive.
Get the hook out.
Alright.
Unless you can hold a camera.
Very nice fish. Very nice. There you go.
Alright, lift her up.
Very slimy.
Austin, just...
Look at you.
Here's Austin's fish.
Look at that, man!
He's a pussy. Alright.
Yeah.
Good fish.